with confidence. When I got Louis roll like hips and take a sip on it. Take a trip on it. When I got you can go slow.
I'm loving this one. Yes. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jen Rodriguez. Do not judge the wig by all the dancing I just did. But I am back with yet another LuvMe Hair review. Let's get it. Today I'll be reviewing this deep curly V-part wig. It's perfect for beginners and it's a super easy install process, so stay tuned. Before we try this queen on, let's take a quick tour. So on either side of the V, there's a really nice thin lace material for easy blending, which I really like. On the inside, there are two clips on either side of the V. There's a middle clip, and there's also two combs on the side to help secure into the hair. In the very back at the bottom, there's also a comb and there's adjustable straps. And here's the beautiful curl pattern that it comes with. Take a brush, a nice brush like this, and tease and rough up both sides of the top of the wig. So this is what I have going on with my natural hair underneath the wig for this time. So I'm going to try something different. I'm going to do a little leave out to create a middle part. I have two braids on either side to help anchor the combs or the clips into. What this is allowing for me to do is to have some leave out in case I change my mind, but also I still get to keep the anchors that I need to get those combs in. I need anchors for my hair because it's a little bit more thin, a little bit more fine hair. I need some anchors for those clips to go into. So what I'm going to do is I'm still going to tease and just kind of rough up those braids a little bit so that they're not so sleek. My hair is flat ironed right now and I don't want those combs or those clips to pull on my hair. And I'm also going to tease the leave out there and try to get the hair to kind of mesh together. But that's what I have going on. The back of it is just braided into two braids and then I bobby pinned it so that it was laying nice and flat in the back. So let's try to put it on and see what it looks like. Again, this wig has a comb for the very back of the hair. At the bottom in the middle, no other combs otherwise. I wish there were more combs in the back. I'm sorry, I just do. So this is what we have going on off the bat. I've got my 4 combs on either side of the V part, 2 on each side, 4 total. I'm going to try to find my part here. One thing that helps as well is directing the hair downward and styling it downward as opposed to trying to separate it. I feel like when you separate it, you can see things a little bit more clearly. But if you kind of lay that hair on top of each other and bring it down toward the face, then that allows for more of a natural look and it gives you more to tease with within the hair as opposed to depending on that weft to like cover things for you. You can use the hair that you have. So I can tell you off the bat, when I was sliding the clips around at the very, very top just to adjust things and get things moving, it was a lot easier when I had some leave out in between those two braids. For me, I can feel a difference. I'm able to slide it out a lot easier rather than getting it snaggled on those braids. That snaggle pop, it hurts, okay? It really hurts. So this is what I have right now. What I'm gonna go through is just kind of tease the rest of the hair a little bit. I'm gonna try not to do a whole lot of cutting. I love the curl pattern. I think it's really, really cute. I'm just roughing it up a little bit. And again, what I showed was washed and air dried. You ain't gonna catch me out here not washing my hair when I get it, okay? That's how we do. You can kind of tell the difference a little bit. I just feel like if I'm gonna tease up here to get things to blend, I'm gonna do a little teasing down here so that there's some consistency in the texture. You guys, this is what I have going on with the blend. I think it looks pretty good. Got my part established. Did some tweezing with the hair. I'm feeling good about it. So now that I have everything positioned and in place, I'm gonna do a little bit more blending. I'm gonna show you some of my favorite hot tips of blending in your V-part wig when there is no leave out. You might say there's no leave out, so what is there to blend? I'm gonna show you real quick. So even though there's no leave out, I wanna give the illusion of a tighter section, like a tighter part, right? I want a nice clean part The combs do tend to pull the hair just a little bit when they're in there. That's just a natural way they're gonna go because it's more of a V-part wig. So I have a black, intensive black edge control. You guys have probably seen me use this before. I'm gonna take a nice brush, like so, dip it in the black edge control, and we're just going to, new lens, sorry, lightly brush on either side of the part, just where I feel like that gap is a little too large. So I'm gonna do like a little bit of coloring and blending on either side there, then go back in and retweeze. But as you can see, it just gives a little bit more of an illusion on either side of that part. Again, it's not all just because my hair is nice and fine and a little bit more thin. It's also because the color of my hair is different and some of my root is still a little bit of that brown color. So I'm also gonna do the same with the sides. I left a little bit of my hair out on the sides just to blend in with the side of the wig and not have it look too wiggy. I'm gonna take that same black edge control. I'm gonna do a nice hold here and just fill in any gaps. I'm gonna do it very lightly. I don't want to pull too hard. I don't want to make it too smooth. So again, I might go in and retweeze and reposition and all of that, but I just feel like that look at that, you guys. I feel like that looks a little bit more natural.
It is hard to resist 'cause I need you. And it's hard, baby, 'cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Holding cover, get to you clean and proper. Way I move, ain't no weekend lover. You gon' let me on your mind forever, ever. Thanks, baby, turn it down, make it sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stranger, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking out your mind.
Okay. I don't know. This might be my favorite. All right, you guys, here's some things that I like about the wig and things I don't like about the wig. What I do like about the wig is just the curl pattern and the length. The curl pattern is really, really cute. Like I said, I tweezed it just a little bit to make it more big for me, but it does come with a really cute curl pattern that I know if I were to go swimming or go to the beach, as soon as I step out the water and let it air dry, it's gonna look super cute. So I love that. I also like just how comfortable the cap is. Great comfortable cap, good quality hair. I don't know, I'm just really digging it. And I think this came with a few layers to begin with. So I didn't have to go through and do a whole lot of cutting to get the look that I wanted. So kudos to you, LuvMe Hair. You listen to me sometimes. I'm just kidding, might not have been me. What I like about it too is the fact that it is a V-part wig. There is some room for leave out. There is room for no leave out. It's not quite like a U-part where you're dedicated to needing that leave out. I don't know. I just like the idea of not having to have one if I don't want it. Things that I don't like about it, I don't know. I don't think there's anything I don't like about the wig itself. You know, for me, I think I'm just trying different methods to make sure that it looks as natural as possible without being uncomfortable. That's the biggest thing with the combs and the clips. It's just sometimes uncomfortable. Other than that, it feels great. It looks great for what it is. Definitely a good buy. Highly recommended. I'm thinking this is the #1 wig that needs to go in my bag. Okay, this is coming all the way to Mexico and maybe other places that I might choose to go. But you guys let me know what you think of this wig. Sound off in the comments below. Does she need to come with me or does she need to stay home? You let me know. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share this video if you know someone else who would love this unit too. I'll catch you guys next time. Bye. No. I'll catch you guys next time. See you next time. No. Catch you next time. See you next time. I'll catch you guys next time. See you later. Bye.
Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming.